What if I told you that there is a no KYC crypto exchange that pays trader at the end of every single day in USDT just for trading? And right now, they're running something called Grand Trading Battle Season 2, where traders are earning daily payouts and farming an upcoming airdrop at the same time. In this video, I'll show you how to open an account on one of the cheapest and fastest growing DEX exchanges, EVEDEX, how to deposit and start trading in less than a few minutes, how to join the competition and get paid for trading, how to farm the airdrops, how to use trading bots and copy trading on this platform, and how you can increase your daily rewards with an extra bonus and promo codes that are available just for the first 20 participants who sign up using our referral link and add the promo codes we mentioned in this video. So watch the video right now and find out what is this no KYC DEX exchange all about. EVEDEX is a no KYC perpetual DEX exchange that has been growing extremely fast. In less than 6 months, they entered the top 20 exchanges on CoinMarketCap, which is impressive for a new platform. What makes it interesting that it is not just a classic futures trading platform. With EVEDEX, you have different options such as USD perpetual futures trading, AI trading, bots marketplace. You have a leaderboard with the different competitions all the time, where you can earn real cash daily. You also have different tasks, so you can farm the airdrop for their future upcoming token. You have their academy, where you can learn different high-income skills, and much more. But the biggest feature is daily cashback in USDT. That means that every day you get real money back for trading, which you can either withdraw or use again in trades. More you trade, bigger the cashback. Right now, they're running a Grand Trading Battle Season 2, which is a 30-day trading competition that we are participating in, and it started today. Every day at 9 p.m. UTC, the system takes a snapshot of the leaderboard. Top 50 traders every day receive real USDT rewards daily, while the places from 51 to 250 are receiving points for the airdrop. As you can see here the chart, it's not very hard to get into first 50 places, as today, with a $10,000 trading volume, which is like buying and selling Ethereum 3 times, you can get into first 25 people. The interesting part is that the prize pool is unlimited. That means that the more people trade on the platform, the bigger the rewards become for everyone. For example, based on the first season, first play may receive around $300 per day. 10th place can be around $70 per day, while 50th place can receive around $10 a day. As I mentioned, these are only examples because the rewards depend on the total platform activity of every day. The main difference between the Season 1 and Season 2 is that in the Season 1, rewards were paid only at the end, while in the Season 2, payouts are daily and the prize pool has no limits. There is also a $100 bonus. If you reach 1 million in trading volume, the platform gives you the $100 in real USDT. And with the leverage trading, that volume can be reached much faster than most people think. If you buy and sell Bitcoin 6 times, you are already in the $1 million volume level. At the same time, you're also farming points for the future airdrop. If you open the points section, you'll see the leaderboard and your progress. The more you trade, the more points you accumulate, and the higher your chance of getting a larger airdrop. We've already seen a massive drops from platforms like Hyperliquid and AstroDex, so many traders are watching EVEDEX closely. You can also go on gamification and find different assignments to boost your airdrop. You have missions, challenges, skills, lucky shot lottery where you can earn up to 100,000 USDT, collectibles, and many more things. So basically here with just one action, which is trading, you can earn competition rewards, get daily cashback, and farm airdrop points. That's basically 3 reward stream at once. Some other interesting things that we can mention are the AI trading. When in just 3 clicks, you can find the strategy you wanna use and start automated trading. You can read the full strategy description. For example, this strategy made 13% in the last 7 days. And you can activate, set the parameters, and the AI algorithm will analyze the market and execute trades automatically. You also have the option of bots marketplace, where you can also find different strategies and coins. Click activate to go to the bot settings and start trading immediately. This is perfect way for the beginners to start trading, and also even trading with these bots and AI trading is farming points for you and getting you on a higher place in the leaderboard. Special bonus for this video: for first 20 users who sign up using our referral link can also get a 3 lucky shot tickets with the code ADVSHOT. And first 40 users can get 1,500 bonus airdrop points with the code ADVPoints. To claim the bonus, you need to go to Assets and just activate the promo codes. This offer is limited and available only to the fastest users. As you will see, platform is very simple. You have all the options for trading, different tokens and coins. You can use leverage up to 100x. You have market orders, limit orders, stop limit order, take profit and stop loss. Basically everything the same like Binance, Bybit, and all the famous SEX exchanges. If you want to try the platform, we left the link in the description. The process is the same like with any other DEX platform. You need to connect your wallet and register, deposit crypto, and start trading. When you register to the link in the description, you'll get 10% extra daily cashback for the first 6 months. That means that every trade returns more USDT to your account. So if you're planning to participate in the competition anyway, it makes sense to start with that bonus. If you need any help, we left the link in the description that leads to our blog post where you can find a full tutorial for registration, deposit, and everything else. And let us know in the comments if you are joining the Grand Trading Battle Season 2 or if you have any questions. See ya in the next video.